Hello everyone. How are you today? Today we are going to discuss about a topic known as electric current. Are you aware about it? If not, so listen. Have you ever have seen a pipe of water in which the water is flowing when you open the tap? The water starts flowing. If you have seen this, congratulations. You learned the half concept of electricity. And for full, we are here to understand and to evaluate what is electricity. So, in your mind, when I'm asking what is electricity, so what perception do you occur? Yeah, that's right. A electric shock. So, what is electric shock? It is a collection of electrons. Simple. Okay. So, before learning all this, we have to learn the topics which are related to electricity. For understanding related electricity, we have to understand this topic for earlier. So these topics are firstly charges. Do you know what is charges? Listen, we have learned in our previous class known as class ninth. We learned about atoms. What are atoms? Atoms are the smallest unit of matter which consist about protons, neutrons, and electrons revolving around it, as you can see over here. Understood? But here in electricity, charges are, we learned that charges are positive and negative, and neutron have no charge. So here, in this electrons, here charges represents electrons and protons. These are the charges. Okay. The second one is about current. What is actually a current? So in a simple language, you can see here the definition. The current is the flow of charges through a conductor. Simple, nothing else. But for further, you can use this definition. But not about this definition. We'll work on the uh, on our knowledge and our perception of understanding it. So for that, what is current? Listen, current is denoted by I. Everybody knows. I am telling you if you don't know. Okay? And current is equals to number of charges upon time taken. If we see, so this it represents that how many charges pass on through a segment, like it is a segment, it is a wire, you can see this is a wire. So how many charges moving from this point of the wire to this point in 1 second, in 1 second, how many charges in 1 second, how many charges move from this point to that point. And another thing, wait, I have told you, I tell you that these charges are represented by the Q. Q. For example, for understanding all this, that what are they known as, what are they defined by, what are the SI units, the difference between, I can suggest you that time. Time is represented by small t, okay, but its SI unit is this second, correct? Like this only, charges are also defined as this uh, Q, but its SI unit is coulomb, known by denoted by C. As similar to time, you can relate it with time, then you will be more understanding about this. After that, current. So what is electric current? Electric current, you have understood that flow of charges is known as electric current in 1 second. In 1 second. So what will be the formula of current? Current is denoted by I. Understood? And SI unit will be, you can make it. Wait a second. Current is denoted by I. It's over here. And I is equals to charges upon charges upon time taken by the charges to move from one place to another. Okay, understood? So now replace it by their defined values, like I charges is equals to I for current is equals to Q. Here's the Q for charges, and time, small t, for time. Understood? So for current, we can take a SI unit such as this. What are the charges? Coulomb. Coulomb per second is known as current's SI unit. Coulomb per second. Charges are clear and currents are clear. Now let's move to next topic. It's a most important thing, such as if I say that if you see the battery, there's a battery. If you say a battery, so it is a positive terminal, it is a negative terminal. Okay, so if I connect a wire around it from the positive, from negative to positive, I have connect a wire and it's a switch. Okay, so if I'll on the switch, so what will happen? Charges will move from where to where, correct? They'll move from negative to positive, as negative is the source and positive is attracting it. Okay, so in positive terminal the electrons are less, and in negative terminal electrons are more. So here a difference gets created, like potential difference. I'll discuss this further, discuss it further, but for upcoming videos. Okay, so till then you can make a perception. It is a difference, like here I have so much water, here I have so much concentration, here is low concentration. From high concentration to low concentration, the charges will move. Okay, so here is the same thing. The charges are moving from the high concentration where the electrons are there to the low concentration, like positive terminal. So electrons are moving from where to where? Negative to positive. Understood? Electrons are moving from negative to positive. Understood? The current moves opposite to the electrons flow. If electrons are moving from negative to positive, so the current will move from positive to negative. They're opposite things. So don't be confused. That's just there's a very big reason, and there's a story behind it why the current is moving opposite to the electrons. So I'll inform you in upcoming videos, or else it will be more lengthier as 8 minutes videos is done. So I have to be more fast for your attention span. Okay, so please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon, so that when the video arises you will get the first notification on this channel. Okay, till then you can understand this topic, such as electrons move from negative to positive, but current is just opposite, such as positive to negative. Clear? In the end I'll give you a chart for this all things, so you can take a look in it for the revision of this whole video, and you will get a more understanding perception. Till then, goodbye and keep learning. Next is master.